So, some of you have asked for some stretches with using a band as a bit of resistance. We're going to go through just a couple of stretches with our legs that you can do just to help with loosening up that posterior chain and actually help loosen up the legs as well because they're taking a bit of a pounding. So we're going to lay ourselves down flat on the floor. And then what we're going to do with one leg, we're going to hook our band through the middle of the foot. And then we're just going to get some nice gentle tension on the foot there, and we should be feeling that stretch through the bottom of the leg there. To help improve the flexibility, what you can do is a bit of PNF stretching. So I'm going to take my hands further up the band and to create more tension and push away with that leg. I'm going to do that for about 7 seconds. And then I'm going to reduce the force that I'm putting my leg under, but think about pulling just nice and gently on the band to take my leg a little bit further. Again, up to 7 seconds. And then this time I'm just going to bring my hands up a little bit further to create more tension. And I'm going to push away, keeping a nice straight leg. Again, up to 7 seconds. And then I'm going to relax the foot, allow the stretch to come as far as I can. And again, just walking the hands up that band. I'm going to do one more. I'm going to push away, so I've got as much tension on the band as much as possible, driving that heel away. And then relaxing after 7 seconds, but keeping the tension on the band, taking that leg as high up as I can. Breathing through it, always keeping that leg straight. Excellent. I'm just going to release the tension slightly on that band, and we're now going to move into our second stretch. So with that straight leg, I'm holding onto the band. So my left leg is up, my left hand is off. I'm just going to place that on the floor. My right hand that's holding my left leg through the band, I'm just going to take it to the side, trying to keep my shoulder blades on the floor as much as possible. And I'm just going to keep light tension on that band there as my foot goes across the body. I'm going to hold that for 7. Always breathing through the stretches, guys. And then from there, I'm just going to walk my hand further down the band and draw that leg further up. So I'm going to feel a stretch through the back of the leg and then through the glute, and then if it is tight, through potentially to that lower back. It just helps that posterior chain there. Again, after 7 seconds, I'm going to walk my hand further down the band, pulling it up gently as far as I can without compromising the stretch. Excellent. After that final 7 seconds, we're going to bring that foot back to the centre. And this time, you have got your band here, and your left and right hand are holding it with my left foot in there. I'm going to pull gently with my right hand to turn my foot out to the side. And what that will do is help stretch the front of your leg there. So all the people that are running and get a pain potentially through the front of their shin, but they can feel that it's muscular rather than the bone, this is a really nice stretch. just to help with your legs there. So remember, if your left foot is up, you want to pull from the right so you turn your foot into the body, and that in turn will help feel a stretch through the front of the leg there. Excellent. Just want to hold that for 30 seconds. What you can do with the band, guys, as well, is just bring it slightly towards the ball of the foot, and again drive the heel up to the sky, and this way you can get a stretch through your calf there, maybe a bit more than when you put your foot up against the wall. Again, we advise holding this for 30 seconds or so before allowing to slowly relieve the tension through that band. And then from there, you would repeat onto the opposite side, and then you'll be done with those stretches. If you do not have a band, guys, you can do exactly the same thing with a towel or a tea towel. And again, all you'd do with the stretches that we've done on the floor here, you just grab either end, and that will be your way of creating that resistance there to help with improving those stretches.